Welcome to Pi Computers. On today's video we are gonna make RFID identification system. Just hang on it. Now we are presenting the list of equipment. First of all, you need Nodemcu Wi-Fi development board. Second of all, you will require 16:2 alphanumeric LCD display with dual SIM module. Last of all, you will require RFID RC522 module with RFID cards and tag. Make the connection using following diagram. You may also take screenshots. After following the diagram, you may connect it to your computer. You may open up ChatGPT in any browser and ask it for the code. Copy the code and paste it into Arduino IDE. Now upload your code to your Nodemcu module. Once the upload is complete, your Nodemcu will restart itself. Now you may try it and keep it in an enclosure. Since Nodemcu is able to read my card, hence the project is completed successfully.